After the end of the video, if you think this video is not helpful, dislike this video. But if you find this video helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel, because we provide quality content. So let's get started. Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss Accenture latest TR plus HR interview questions which are asked this year. I talked with more than 20 candidates and I collected some common questions, and I want to share those questions with you. So this will help you if you want to give your Accenture interview. Okay, so let's get started. So first we will discuss TR questions. So first TR question is, introduce yourself. This is really very important question. Why I am saying this is important? Because what you will mention in your introduction, they will ask more than 90% things from your introduction part. Okay, so mention only those things which you really know. Okay, which you want, want they ask from you. Okay, only mention those things. And now next question is, describe any project which you created by your own. This is very important question, because Accenture prefer those candidates who has created at least some one projects. Okay, at least one project in their final year or in the entire graduation. Okay, so this is really important question. If you explain your project well, then you are almost selected. This is very important part. Okay, so prepare your final year project well, prepare your resume, and in introduction part tell only those things which you really know, so you are almost placed. Now let's move to next question. Next question is, what are 4 pillars of OOPS? So this is easy question but important question, because they will ask at least one question from OOPS. So prepare OOPS very well. Okay, now next question is, difference between double equal to and triple equal to. So this is easy question. Next question is, why you want to go in IT industry? This question is for non-CSE and IT candidate, but prepare if you are from non-CSE IT candidate. Okay, and they may ask some questions like from your core subject if you are from non-CSE IT candidate, so be ready for that. Now next question is, why Java is called platform independent? Okay, this question you can easily prepare. Now next question is, what is an interface in Java? Can we implement multiple interfaces in one class? This is easy question but tricky. Now next question is, which is your favorite programming language and why? This is important question, because they may ask you to write a program also. Okay, generally they don't ask to write a program in interview. Accenture generally don't do this, but they may ask. Okay, because a few candidates are there who faced this. Okay, but they ask very easy programming question. Okay, they just want to check your logic. Yeah, so prepare this question, and when they will ask why, then you can tell the advantages of that program, that language over the other language. Okay, now next question is, what's the difference between class and object? Very easy question, so prepare OOPS concept very well. Okay, next question is, what are the access specifiers in C++? So this is easy question, you can easily prepare. So you can see Accenture interview is not tough. Okay, Accenture interview is very easy. Okay, so prepare all these things. Now let's move to HR interview questions. So HR interview questions. Question 1, how was your day? Okay, they may ask, many candidates face this question. Now second question is, what are your hobbies? Why do you want to join Accenture? Who is the CEO of Accenture? This is important question. Okay, so before giving an interview, you must know the name of CEO of that company, not only for Accenture. This is applicable for every company. Okay, so you must know the name of the Accenture of that company in which you are giving interview. Now next and tricky question. This is tricky question. If you I think there is they miss by mistake. Yeah, why do you want to join service based company, not product based company? I think yeah, please ignore this this sentence. I think this is a typing mistake. Yeah, question is, why do you want to join service based company, not a product based company? Okay, so question is this. So this is really a tricky question because Accenture is service based company. They want to ask why you want to join their company, not a product based company like Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Flipkart, etc. Okay, so this is really very tricky question. So prepare well this question. Okay, many candidates faced this question. Okay, yeah, so prepare well and good luck for your interview. If you have any doubt, please ask in comment box, and if you want to join our Telegram channel, please join. I'll provide link in description. And if you think this video is helpful, please like this video, because this video is looking for 5 or 6 minutes, but I really worked hard for this video. Okay, and yeah, subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.